Welcome home to 48 Cornwall Lane. Nestled in at the end of a Cul De Sac in the sought-after Woodside Knolls Community lies this 3-level, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, nearly 2,600 square foot townhome with a private yet single-family feel. Stone-lined columned entry opens to beautiful Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and open concept layout featuring living room, kitchen, dining room combination. Updated kitchen features rich tall maple cabinetry, tile backsplash, hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, double sinks, and enough counter space to make any iron chef or baking champion jealous. With a picture window that opens to the living room, where you can cuddle up beside your gorgeously framed natural gas fireplace and take in the picturesque year-round views off the private deck that only few homes in any development can offer. Off the foyer, you'll find a bonus room, which is perfect for a study, library, the Evermore-Common Home Office, or recording and streaming studio. Up past the Gorgeous Chandelier, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths on the second level, the first of which is the magnificent master bedroom suite. Bathed in natural sunlight and fully carpeted, the master bedroom suite offers a walk-in closet and master bath, complete with 2 sinks, tile floors, jacuzzi tub, and standing shower. The second full bathroom is shared by the 2 other generously sized bedrooms on the second floor, one of which features a bay window configuration, chandelier, and hardwood floors, the other a large closet, hardwood floors, and ceiling fan. High-efficiency washer and dryer in their very own laundry room, and a lower level which lends itself to be used as a second family room, home theater, playroom, or the perfect place to host the next big game. Arrange your private tour today